I drive here, turn signal. One foreigner go to wrong way and they park here now. And he said he is right. This is only one way. He already leave. Motor. Ali, please wait me. Wait.
I went up, okay, wait.
Okay, wait me. Okay. Everyone, you already know situation when I drive car and some foreigner in motorbike drive wrong way, and he use horn to me like why I drive to his side, but this is really it's wrong way. He doing wrong way, and my friend also drive in the same way in back of me because I am front, he in the back. He seen situation and I will ask him. Now he near me. We sit in the Starbucks and I will ask him right now. Ali, hi. What you thinking about this situation?
Well, the driver in the wrong side. He drive in the wrong direction side. He's wrong, totally wrong. I don't know what's. I think he was drunk, this guy, really is drunk. I don't know why he say like you are wrong. I don't know. Here in Angeles City, the motorcycle people, just we should be careful from them. Really be careful. Because I'm the most things I'm scared here in Angeles, the motorcycle people. Really, I'm scared and I'm afraid from them. Sometimes they are not safe, and suddenly they go on your side. So when I saw that video, no, he's wrong. He should go to the police. You should report that to police.
But he faster run away.
He's not polite guy. He's not. And then he's wrong. I don't know. Maybe he's something. He fight in his house or do something wrong with his family. I don't know. But he's totally wrong. When I saw the video, I just forget him.
Okay, same.
I told the guys here, when you drive a car, just be careful from tricycle people and from the biker, the motorbike. Just be careful from them. That's it.
So you have long time experience in the Philippines drive?
Yes, I have. And when I saw them, really, I scared from them. Really. Suddenly when you drive, they are going your side. Suddenly. That's what I scared from them all the time. Anyway, just forget them.
Of course I will forget. I just show to my subscribers.
Have a nice time. We drink our coffee here.
Yeah. Okay, thank you, Ali. Guys, take a look. Everywhere have wrong way. Cannot drive here. Let's take a look. Only one way. This is road, it's only one way. But this is foreigner. Drive from Skyline. Take a look, I drive here. Same like another motor and car. Take a look. This is only one way. Take a look, all cars turn. All turn this way. He been here in the parking maybe. He should to no go straight. He cannot go straight. He need to turn right here. And he trying fighting with me. he think he is right. Really, I don't understand him. I go to parking because I park my car. Take a look, all cars like this. This is motor, take a look. He will turn, but he cannot go to straight. Because it's one way only. All turn cars, all. Take a look, this is motor driver. He turn, he cannot straight drive. Because have sign